Hi everyone, Stuart here. All right, it is holiday season. We are getting into cooking a lot more with our friends, with our family. We're still in this pandemic, but you know what? We're gonna eat food together. And we're back with Califonia Dates. So I'm gonna show you some great date recipes. And we are getting started with Brussels sprouts. You're gonna wanna cook them this way because it's easy, it's tasty, and it's like fall. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to start with my bacon because Brussels sprouts equals bacon every single time. So we're just gonna get that in the pan and we're gonna render off the fat. So while that's going, we're gonna toast some pistachios because it's just so nice to have some texture with the Brussels sprouts. So we're gonna saute it, then you have some nice crunch on top as well. So about a half a cup of pistachios in there. I'm gonna let those toast for a minute or two. And now we're gonna shred up our Brussels sprouts. So pop them into a food processor. If you wanna use a grater and start doing that, you can do that, but we'll be here till 2024. All right, if you come in here and have a look, this is exactly how you want it. If you go to stores, I know Trader Joe's does it, you can buy Brussels sprouts like this in a bag. So you can look for that if you don't have a food processor. All right, so pistachios are nice and brown and toasty. I'm gonna let them cool off. Right back to the bacon, and we're just gonna remove that from the pan. I'm gonna lower this heat. I just have a slotted spoon. Now, all that beautiful oil, we're gonna keep it. I'm gonna add this onion. So a cup of diced onion. So we're gonna cook that for about a minute or two, soften everything up. So we're moving on to Califonia dates. I have 4 medjool dates and we're just gonna chop them up, and just that will add so like a really just nice sweetness to this like salty dish, you know, because we have like our onions in there. It's very savory, so we need a bit of sweet in there. So I'm just gonna cut those up. Whatever, that's fine. All right, so we have this shredded Brussels sprouts. We're gonna add that directly into the pan with the onions. Brussels sprouts are looking good, nice and softened up. To that, I'm gonna add the dates, our bacon, and 3/4 of the pistachios. We'll leave some for the topping at the end. I'm just gonna mix all that together. I'm gonna season it up with just some salt, and some pepper, and that's it. Like a nice large plate, and everyone's just gonna serve themselves. All right, some pistachios on top, and finally, some pecorino romano. Beautiful. Ooh, let's make it rain. And there you have it, a delicious side dish for Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever holiday you celebrate. Just beautiful shredded Brussels sprouts, drenched with Parmesan or pecorino romano, some Califonia dates for sweetness and some crunchiness with the pistachios. Enjoy everyone. For this recipe, head over to tastybites.net and I will see you soon. Bye.